I want to show you how I make my perfect circles, and I do that. I start with a mylar circle. It's already a perfect circle. It's over top of my sandpaper board. My fabric's face down, and I'm going to trace around that. And after I've traced that, I'm then going to cut 1/4 of an inch beyond that line that I drew. The next step, I want to take a needle and thread with a knot in the end, and I'm going to do a running stitch in the middle of this seam allowance. And once I have the running stitch done, I'm going to actually place this mylar circle down on the back side of my fabric, and I'm going to pull on the thread. It'll wrap itself up right around that circle. I'm going to lay this down. I hold on really tight to this so it doesn't pop open, and I'm going to now moisten this again, painting it with the stencil brush and the sizing. I'll slide my iron in right on top of it. Get your finger out of the way. But just be a little patient and just allow the iron to sit there, and in a couple seconds that'll be dry. I'm then just going to take this thread right where I finished stitching and loosen this so that I can now remove this circle. I'll pull on this thread and it's going to gather and close it right back up again. I come in with my scissors and just snip that thread right there. I don't remove the thread that's already in. It doesn't hurt anything, and I just leave it inside. I now have a perfect circle ready to be appliqued on my background.